Good day everyone, I'm Charles Michael Y. Garcia from BSC 4Y2-1. Now, I'm gonna explain or I'm gonna teach to you on how to get the hash value of the documents or file. First, you can open the hash generator app. Then after that, you can browse the original file. Get my hash value. Then after that, you can generate hash. Then, yan po, as you can see, makikita nyo po yung hash value, which is the 5B8AFCC7. Then, pagkatapos po nyan, dadaan na po tayo dito sa 1.2, which is the hash value of the edited file name of the save file. Next step, punta po tayo dito sa ating file. Then, i-rename po natin to. Yan. After that po, punta po ulit tayo dito sa ating hash generator. Then, i-browse po natin ulit yung ating ni-rename file. Then, open. Then, after that, you can generate again. Yan po. As you can see again, same po sila ng hash value. Then, punta na po tayo dito sa ating 1.3, which is the hash value of the edited content of the save file. And the third step po is balik po tayo dito. Then punta po tayo dito sa original file, which is the get my hash value. Then it's up to you po kung gusto niyo pong kung ano po yung gusto niyo pong ilagay dito. Then ako po yung lalagay ko is i-edit ko po tong try to hash me. Yan po. Ako lang sapat na at sa'yo lang kakalampag. Yan po. Then after that, isa-save po natin ito. Then, after po ma-save, punta na po tayo ulit dito sa ating hash generator app. Yan po. Para po matandaan nyo yung ating hash value na original. Then, after that, you can browse the edited file. Ito po. Yan, open. Then, dyan na po natin malalaman kapag na-generate hash na po natin kung mag-iiba nga po ba talaga yung hash value kapag inedit po natin yung isang original file. Ayan po, as you can see, the hash value 459. And thank you so much po. God bless.